Welcome back to the channel. Got me a big old bucket of old pumpkin, and I'm gonna take it down and see out of which animals like it. I know the pigs do, and I think my wife said that Big Mama likes some, and some of the steers, and of course the chickens and ducks. They all like it. Been sitting around for a while, kind of getting a little bit, I don't know about fermented, but it's soft and looks like it's perfect for some snacks. But anyways, earlier today we butchered 5 roosters, the young roosters, and started to make a video. I wasn't going to film the butchering, but I was making a video and realized I didn't hit record at all. So I guess that's the way that goes. So now I'm packing about, man, it feels like 50 pounds of pumpkin. Good gravy. Oh man, here we go. I'm gonna put the phone down, rearrange myself, come back at you. Okay, so I threw a piece of pumpkin in there, and see, Big Mama, she's kind of messing around with it a little bit, getting a little bite here and there. Not too sure about that stuff. I don't know. What do you think? Not your cup of tea? Huh. They're not overly excited about it, but she is eating it. A little bit. Let's see what she does here. You gonna take another bite? A little bit of, there you go. There we go. Okay. Well, maybe a little bit. So we'll leave them alone, go over here and try the pigs out. I know they're gonna want some. Okay, pigs. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Set this down just for a second. See a little slice. Some yummy pumpkin. Some yummy pumpkin. Over there. Oh yeah. Oh, this is some awesome filming here. Jiminy Christmas. Oh, good grief. Awesome filming. Oh yeah, look at that. They're just going to town on this stuff. There you go. That's a nice little treat for them. You bet. Oh yeah. Yeah, they love the whole thing. Nice. What do you think, guys? Oh my. Okay. I'll give you a little bit more. Okay, heading over to steers here. I think it's funny the chickens. They are they're staying clear of me today for some reason. They kind of took offense to that whole getting rid of their roosters program. We had to do it like they're way over there running from me. Okay, steers, let's see what we got. I'm just gonna throw this in there. See what we got. Cows. Not super excited about the pumpkin. Yeah. They just don't seem to care. This seems like a pig food to me. You don't like that? Well, if it's not gone in 5 minutes, I'm gonna throw it to the chickens. You guys just aren't into it at all, huh? Not even a little bit. Rather lick it off my fingers. Easy does it, fellers. Just don't care. Well, tell you what, I'll go get some grain and I'll be right back. And if you haven't eaten the pumpkin, then we'll take it out and give it to the chickens. Look at them hide under the trailer. I don't blame them. Well, I didn't get nothing done on the steer shelter / windbreak today. We got wrapped up, like I said, in dealing with the roosters and stuff. And you know, the last couple days, Biscuit, Leave them alone. The last couple days, my back has been in such pain. Like I have an old back injury that's been flaring up lately. And I just been kind of knocked out for a little bit as far as the amount I can do. So trying to work through that. And today I just had kind of a long episode where I just had to sit back and stretch and stuff like that. But anyways, I'm sure you guys know how it is. But just going through one of those times, back's flared up. So needed a little rest. Didn't get much, but try to. So you boys didn't even touch it. So we'll get rid of that real quick. The old pitchfork. I'll scoop him out. All right, look out, guys. I'll go like this, like I'm flipping a burger. There we go. Nice. Then we'll take that over to the chickens here in a little bit. These guys, they just want some grain. Okay. Just a little bit. There you go. Look out. The other bucket real quick. There. Here we go. All right. See, number 6 is over there. He's waiting for his teeny tiny bucket, which we got right here. Fill that up. And give him a good amount because someone's going to come steal it here in a minute. There you go. There you are, buddy. There you go. Okay, look at these chickens. You guys starting to come back around, huh? You see, we kept the old leghorn, and we kept the old, I don't know what he is. Some kind of barnyard mix. But we've enjoyed them. They seem to be pretty good roosters. So now, let's take this little slop. Over to the chicken coop. Wait till they find this surprise. Oh, yeah. There we go. I got some other pieces in here ready for them. Reckon better check for some eggs. Let's see who's in here. Bet you the old ones are. So you see those? These are 3 of the older hens, and honestly, they were supposed to be in the lineup today as far as getting butchered, but because of my back and the way it was going, they lucked out. Ooh, there's an egg hiding back there. We got a few eggs earlier today. Not too bad. Honestly, it looks like one of their eggs. So you guys lucked out. And maybe you guys seen what was going on and was praying for some kind of miracle. So maybe my hurt back was your miracle. Who knows? I don't know. It sure saved their life, though. There's one other silver lace, the old silver laced. She was in the lineup too, but she lucked out as well. So the 4 old ladies, they got another chance today. So we'll see how long that lasts. Could be all winter. I don't know. If we have another nice day coming up when I have a day off, we'll see. But they may have bought themselves a few more months. Now this is what I'm talking about. You see, you guys stole all of Eeyore's grain here. Yeah, there you are. A scratch. You know, his eyes are getting better, which is nice, because that right eye was kind of, yeah, he's looking better. Cool. How about Little number 5 over there, he's looking better. So these guys are starting to get it on their eyes. It just makes the rounds, doesn't it? Yeah, you're looking better. Okay, listen. You guys stole it all. So that's the end of it. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Got some, looks like they're grabbing those seeds first that flipped out of there. Huh. All right. Well, I guess that's good. Yeah. There's a big old seed right there. I don't know what that was. Huh. Well, I guess, but it doesn't look like they're crazy excited about it. See what it looks like in the morning. Okay, their little hay trough's filled up. Now we'll go check out big cows. Oh, FYI, catching chickens, I use a net. I gotta tell you, man, if you ain't ever caught a chicken with a net, you're missing out. That is the way to do it. Chasing around chickens, trying to catch them. Just reach out and snag them right up with that net. Okay. How we doing, Ivy? Looking a little better. Hey, Biscuit, you're naughty. Stay over there. Gee. Hey, no, don't come up. Stay. Stay over there. Okay, guys, what do you got going on here? Well, you got some of the fiber left. Yeah, some of the, if I have to. Okay, get them some fresh here. Come on. Oh. Okay, well, you guys look like you got enough stuff. Huh, Big Mama? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'll be back down to check on you a little bit. And Percy? Ivy? Okay, calm down. All right, let's go check on these pigs, see how they like their pumpkin. Cows, not so much. Pigs have cleaned it up. There you go. So they're the winners, and rightfully so. I mean, you could have guessed. Look at this though. We got a little bit of action over here. I tell you what, if you chickens don't like it too well, I'm gonna take that in the morning and give it to the pigs. Just so you know. Well, there we go. Looks like the pigs are pumpkin eaters and everybody else, not so much. Chickens look like they're kind of mildly enjoying it. And haven't seen the ducks. I think the ducks are really going to like it when they get in there. I'll go check a little bit later. But like I said, my back is starting to block up on me right now. And I need to go climb an inversion table. See if I can't release some of that pressure. But anyways, thanks for coming along, guys. Appreciate all the support, and look forward to seeing you out here real soon. Take care, everyone. Have a good one.